Hey guys, it's Melissa, and today we're gonna make slime without borax. For this slime recipe, you're just gonna need 2 ingredients: Dawn dish soap and cornstarch. Let's get started. So you're going to begin by pouring in your dish soap into the bowl. Just pour in as much soap as slime that you want. All right, so now we're gonna pour in our cornstarch, mix it up. I'm gonna pour in some more cornstarch. Okay. Just keep stirring. Okay. So keep pouring in and stirring until it becomes really thick, where you can no longer stir it. You're probably gonna wanna, it's kind of hard to stir now, so now I'm gonna put some more cornstarch in and kind of knead it in with my hands. Okay, so this slime is almost like the consistency of a butter slime, but I love it, and it's super cheap to make, and you probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen, but I love the texture, and it's a lot different than traditional slime. And there you have it, that slime without borax. All you need is dish soap and cornstarch. I hope you guys will leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my videos and let me know what kind of slime you'd like to see me make next. Have a slime-tastic day. Bye.